There's breaking news just coming in. Pune Divisional Commissioner says from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. I beg your pardon, from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. no public movement will be allowed excepting for those involved in essential services in view of the rise in COVID cases. Schools and colleges in the district are going to remain closed till 28th of February. New guidelines are going to be effective from tomorrow. So there you go, another norm that one needs to abide by as far as Maharashtra in the light of the rising cases are concerned. But this is coming in from Pune. Pankaj Khelkar is joining us. Pankaj, this is a new norm that has come out that from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. there is going to be no movement allowed, no public movement excepting for those who are involved in essential services. Now, this is just for Pune, or is it for the state of Maharashtra?
See, Shakti, I just had a word with the Divisional Commissioner of Pune Division, Mr. Saurabh Rao, and he said that keeping in mind the increasing coronavirus positive patients, a precautionary step has been taken that people have been requested that only if they are in need to come out of their houses, they should come out. But it is not like 144 has been imposed. People will be allowed, only they should avoid unnecessary movement. Only those people who fall under essential services, they will be allowed. But other than that, people should avoid. This is the first step that they are taking. Other than
clarification Pune, from you, Pankaj, that this is just strictly to Pune at the moment and not for the rest of Maharashtra, right?
Pune, and there are 8 districts. Along with Pune, there are 8 districts.
Which are those 8 districts?
These 8 districts are mostly in Vidarbh area. Other than that, like Akola, Amravati, Yavatmal, Wardha, Buldhana and Pune, along with some districts, adjoining districts which fall in Vidarbh area. Those have been requested. Their section 1 means essential commodity people will only be allowed. But along with that, this is for the first time that Pune will also be observing, like from 11 p.m. to 6 a.m. only those with essential services, they will be allowed. Other than that, people are requested that they shouldn't come out. It is not like 144 has been strictly imposed. It's a first step. Other than that, schools and colleges till 28th of February will be closed.
So you're saying it's an advisory coming out and it's for 5 districts outside of Pune as well, and you name those districts in Maharashtra, not applicable to the entire state of Maharashtra, but given the light of the COVID crisis in the state, there is a fresh night curfew in Pune and certain other districts, as Pankaj was mentioning them as well. We'll get you those names and they'll flash on your screens in just a while from now, but this is an important bit of news coming in from the state of Maharashtra.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.